So today I've got the 2024 Toyota Aygo Edge with a slight difference. And you know by now something catches my eye, I'll take you on a walk in 4K to have a look. And here is the thing that caught my eye. It's got a canvas roof. So if we jump on inside and start the engine, you'll see, let's turn that off. We don't want to blind you, do we? You push this button here and look like that. As if by magic, the roof goes back. And it's got like the old school, remember the old VW Beetle convertibles that used to go back and concertina on the back like that? How cool is that? It's got a very nice leather steering wheel. As said, auto box. Air conditioning. Let's have a look in the back from this side. If the driver's seat's back, I mean, you're not going to get the most amount of leg room in the back, are you, in a small little car like this? But that's fairly ample. You don't get wind-up windows or electric windows. You get these little pop-out windows. But like I said, for the price point, I think it's very good. Big boots, nice and... I mean, them wheels are big, aren't they? 18s on this little car. That's why it looks so good. So yeah, that's Persian Salt in auto with this paint, 19.5 with a 10-year warranty. This is the Edge. If you get the exclusive, they have like an LED that comes around here. Black mirrors, black section, a bit like the CHR. If you look at my other videos, looks at loads of CHRs, they have the black back, which makes them look very sporty. It's got the machine polished alloys, 18-inch, like I said previously. Fun roof. You've got the fun of a convertible without the problems that a convertible would really bring with like the safety features. You've still got all the A pillar, the B pillar, C pillar. Still quite secure, ready for winter. It's got the 1 litre 72 brake horsepower, normally aspirated petrol engine, so you're never going to win any races. But as with all Toyotas that come with a 10-year warranty, you know it's never going to let you down, is it? So the 1 litre 72 brake horsepower engine is, I mean, it's all right. It's got a little bit of go in it and it's not that loud. And I usually do the old ASMR test. If you can hear my hand on the steering wheel, you know it's not that loud in here, which it's not. So even with the fun roof, because it's quite well protected, as I showed. So yeah, thoroughly recommend. Stick these into reverse. They have a very good reversing camera, as you can see. Well equipped steering wheel. Got your driver aids down here. And then up here, like you'll get on all Toyotas, you've got an SOS button. You press that, it dials the emergency services. They ask you what service you require. Also pinpoints your location. So if you've got one of these which has got that SOS button, like all Toyotas, you'll be able to log into your My Toyota app and actually find your car wherever it is. So if you're like me and forget where your car is parked, thoroughly recommend doing that, setting up your My Toyota when you get your new Toyota, and then you'll never lose your car again. So quick recap, it's the Persian Salt blue, I'd say. Definitely got a bluish grey look to it, hasn't it? Auto box is actually 1,080 quid more. I thought it was about 890, but it's actually 1,000, which is not bad for an auto box. I remember back in the day, there used to be a couple of grand at least more on the spec, didn't it? And the roof is 890, the paint's 590, so the whole package here is like 19.5, just over. So if you found that video of help, please do give it a thumbs up. It helped my channel immensely. And I'll see you again soon when I spot something like this that catches my eye, and I'll take you a walk in 4K to have a look. See you again soon. Weather's turned a bit rubbish, you know. I've not mentioned the weather, actually. I usually mention the weather, don't I? Not the best. Anyway, have a great weekend. See you again soon.